Right, so today I'll be showing you how to install the Facebook app on your iPhone. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is locate the Apple App Store and tap on that. That should open the Apple App Store, and then you can hit the search button in the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar at the top there and look for Facebook. And then search. Now from the results, you should see Facebook. You can tap on that and then tap on the get button. Now since I'd previously installed it, my button is this iCloud button here. If you've never installed Facebook before, it's going to be get. So just tap on that, and you might need to authenticate with Face ID by double pressing this if it's the first time, or if it's not the first time, then you'll just wait for the app to get installed. So once the app gets installed, it's now going to turn into open. Then you can tap on that and launch Facebook. And that is basically how to install Facebook on your iPhone. Now from here, it's very simple. All you have to do is sign in to your account. I'm going to select that account, hit enter the password and log in. And once you're signed in, you can now go ahead and save a few things, like do you want to save your login info? I'm just going to choose not now. And now we are inside Facebook. It's going to be some permissions here and there, but there is my Facebook account. So that is basically how to install Facebook on any iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.